வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் we have to discuss about problems related to the last class continuation. Okay, so last classல we have to discuss about nuclear properties. So what are all the nuclear properties? We have to discuss nuclear size na என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம், nuclear size, the nuclear volume, then nuclear shape, charge distribution, then nuclear spin, then parity. Okay, so இது ரிலேட்டடான ப்ராப்ளம் தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அப்போ நியூக்ளியர் சைஸ், what is the empirical formula? then R is equal to R naught A power of 1 by 3, then R value is approximately equal to 1 by 2 Fm. Okay, so what is the nuclear volume? then volume B is equal to then 4 by 3 pi R cube. So R cube we have to substitute this value, then V is directly proportional to then A. That should be a mass number. What is the nuclear shape? Is a spherical. So sum of the nucleus based upon the heavier one and odd number of the nuclei we have to know about prolate and oblate. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் சேனல் பிளேலிஸ்ட்டில் இருக்க பார்த்துங்க. ஸோ தென் சார்ஜ் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். தட் ஷுட் பி a positive charge for proton. then formula for charge distribution, then P of R is equal to then P naught then 1 plus e power R minus R by then A. then A is the skin thickness. It should be approximately 0.5 Fm. Okay, what is by the nuclear spin is for eccentric angular momentum. So then even spin is always 0. then odd A nucleus, the spin is depends upon the lost unpaired nucleons. So then parity, then P is equal to minus 1 by L. Okay, so இது ரிலேட்டடான ப்ராப்ளம் தான் we have to discuss today. Okay, so maximum இன்னைக்கு பார்க்குற ப்ராப்ளத்திலிருந்து mostly 90% of question may be asked. Okay, then first problem, then problem number 1, then calculate the radius of a gold nucleus, then A is equal to 197. so this is the question. then calculate the radius of the gold nucleus, then A is equal to 197. here A என்றது that should be a mass number. Appo what is the formula we have to use? What is the formula we have to discuss last classes? That should be then R is equal to then R naught A power 1 by 3. here A is the mass number 197 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ what is the R naught value? it approximately 1.2 Fm. அப்போ just we have to given that A is equal to that should be a mass number 197. so just இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? we have to substitute all the values. அப்போ then R is equal to R naught value 1.2 into A க்கு தான் என்னது 197 power 1 by 3. அப்போ it is approximately 1.2 into 197 power of 1 by 3 போட்டிங்கன்னா we have to get 5.85. அப்போ R is approximately 7.02 FM. Okay, this is the corresponding answer for this problem. 99% of question may be asked like this. Okay, for especially for PGTRB. So we have to 1 minute for each question. So idu mari da 99% question may be like this. Okay. Okay, next we move on to the next one. So then problem 2. Then what is the spin of an even nucleus like oxygen 816? So this is the question. Then what is the spin of an even nuclei? So பார்த்தா உடனே சொல்லிடலாம். For example here, for example given what is the even number of proton? Even number of proton radhe 8. So then even number of neutron, appo this there should be 16 minus 8, we have to get 8. So both proton and neutron we have to get only the even. Appo even nuclei vandale enna solliruken from the last classes is always 0. Okay, because all nucleons are paired. If இதே வந்து இங்க வந்து 9 இல்ல 11, it should be a odd number வந்தா it never 0. Okay, so even வந்தாலே it should be a 0. So அப்போ spin will be a 0. Okay, so maybe இந்த கொஸ்டினே வந்தாலும் வரதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு நிறைய இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So one of the previous question that should be asked in same like that. Okay, so even but there should be a then element will be varied, but even வந்தாலே there should be a 0. Okay, you have to remember that. இதெல்லாமே லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம we have to discuss. பார்க்காத நண்பர்கள் சேனல் பிளேலிஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு, போய் பாத்துருங்க. ஓகே, so next third problem. Problem number 3. Then determine the parity of a nucleon in the D state and J value 5/2 state. Okay, so then solution. But here what is the question? Parity. So parity கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. அப்போ what is the formula for parity? Parity P is equal to minus 1 by L. அப்போ here L என்றது என்னது? Orbital angular momentum quantum number. Okay, so another answer கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். அப்போ D. அப்போ what is the value for L? That should be we know that. Then L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then S, P, D, F, G. அப்போ D की L value that should be a 2. அப்போ then P is equal to minus 1, then 2. அப்போ what is that? Minus 1 whole square பண்ணா we have to get 1, that is plus 1. So this is the parity. அப்போ plus 1 வந்தா என்னது? That should be a even parity. So most important. So in port a question may be like that, the same question will be come in the exam also. Okay, depends upon our luck, but mostly 90% of the data will be changes, but the format will be same. Idhe format la dhaan question may be like this. Okay, so then problem 4, problem number 4, then estimate the nuclear density of a nucleus. So then solution here, what is the question? Then estimate the nuclear density கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. அப்ப nuclear density க்கு what is the formula? Nuclear density, there should be a then density rho can be write it as mass by volume. Appo we know that the formula, what is that formula? Then mass by 4/3 then pi r naught cube. So this is the formula. So here m என்றது, that should be a mass of the electron, then m 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So r naught oda value நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும், it should be approximately 1.2 fm, or it should be a 10 power minus 15 m. So just we have to substitute all the cases. Then rho is equal to m க்கு 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 divide 4/3 into pi க்கு 3.14 into then r naught 1.2 into 10 power minus 15, that should be a whole cube. So இதெல்லாம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா finally we have to get then density then 2.3 into 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the important. Okay, so almost we have to discuss most important problems related to the previous classes. Okay, so இதே மாதிரி தான் there should be like these 5 nuclear property: nuclear size, nuclear volume, nuclear charge, and then nuclear spin and parity. Okay, well, sometimes they should spin and parity same thing கேட்கலாம். Okay, the model will be same, we have to follow this. Okay, so I hope you have to understand this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for further updates. So thank you.